On fear, you were saying something, right?
Yeah.
Fear of speaking up.
Speaking up.
Particularly in the presence of the family people.
Yeah.
So fear of speaking. But okay, let us first in that case do directly just this much tapping.
Huh.
What you, as much as you're saying, if you want to qualify it, we can add whatever qualification you want to add to that statement. That I have this fear of speaking in front of, you mean to say all family people?
No, it's in the current situation. It's in the current situation.
But the current situation as in because you are not in your own home.
Yeah.
Correct. So the current situation is defined as being, what shall we call it?
Outside own home.
Right. Very true. Very true. Though you are with the family, but you are not in your own home.
Yeah.
Okay. Sumati ko kya hua? She's gone behind the screen suddenly.
And she said she would tell something, do something, and come back.
Yeah. Okay.
I also went to bring my water. And
right. We have to make use of the time.
Yeah. I forgot I kept in the kitchen, filled the hot water, because here though it's like winters the whole year, no. And I feel cold very fast.
Yeah. Even I feel cold very quickly. Even in this hot summer here in Bombay, I at least once in a day, twice in a day at least use hot water for drinking.
Okay. Cold season I take more, otherwise normal, but never cold water. Can't have cold water.
Never cold water. Yeah, it's matka, pot water, earthen potka. Fridge cold to never.
No, fridge cold never. Matka okay. Normal
matka
water
is good. In this season, sometimes the matka water is even cooler than the fridge water.
Yeah.
And it feels so nice. Chalo, shuru kare?
Yeah. Sumati's come.
Yeah, she's come back.
मैम वो ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं
है ना
और मेरा भी बैटरी लो था ना तो फिर वो कट गया
लगाया चार्जर
हाँ अभी चार्जर के साथ ही है
चलो so Maria has given us a topic, we'll tap on that. Not being able to speak in to the family whatever she wants to say because she's in a place which is not her own house. दूसरों के घर में जाके फैमिली के साथ भी रहो तो थोड़ा गड़बड़ होता है ना. So that fear is there.
अपना इलाका होता है.
I know, but that's true, no?
नहीं हमारे घर में हम लोग शेर.
Our comfort zone. फिर बाहर जाते हैं तो we are somewhat.
हाँ, बिल्ली बनते हैं.
Even though I'm afraid to speak up.
I'm afraid to speak up.
In this current situation. Still, I deeply and completely. Love. Forgive. And accept myself. Even though. When I'm staying here, out of my house. Though with my family. But the whole equation is very different. I can't speak my mind. Still, I deeply and completely. Love. Forgive. And accept myself. What I want to make the third statement about is how do you feel about not being able to speak your mind?
Sometimes I feel it's good, and sometimes there are moments when I feel I should have. So both.
No, when you are not able to speak your mind,
Huh.
you are left with a kind of
In-
a unrestful feeling, or
yeah, so I feel little restricted.
tight, kind of
Yes.
choked and all.
Not so, but I feel restricted of
Restricted,
voice.
the voice as if, that's what I mean by choked.
Oh.
Yeah. Even though I hold myself back.
I hold myself back.
But I feel I'm restricting myself too much.
But I feel I'm restricting myself too much.
My voice just doesn't come out.
My voice just doesn't come out.
Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love, forgive, and accept myself. Eyebrow point. My voice gets restricted. Iron point. I'm afraid to speak up with my family members. Below the eyes. In this situation, it's difficult to speak my mind.
In this situation, it is difficult to speak my mind.
Below the nose. It's the price I pay for staying out of my house.
The price I pay for staying out of my house.
Chin groove. Not speaking is not really comfortable.
Not speaking is not really comfortable.
Below the collarbone. Restricted voice. Below the armpit. Afraid of speaking up. Afraid of speaking up. Afraid to speak my mind. I'm afraid. Afraid.
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid. On the lower ribs. Afraid to speak my mind.
Afraid to speak my mind.
Thumbnail. Restricted. Forefinger. Afraid I might cause some damage. Middle finger. I don't want to hurt anyone. Little finger, but I feel restricted then. Karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely. Love. Forgive. And accept myself. I choose to feel safe and comfortable in being myself. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be safe and comfortable in being my caring, loving self. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from this fear of speaking up. And let go feeling restricted. Be my normal, natural, loving self. And I deeply and completely love,
love,
forgive,
forgive
and accept myself.
myself.
Eyebrow point. Let go this fear.
Let go this fear.
Eye end point. Feel safe and comfortable.
Feel safe and comfortable.
Below the eyes. Be my normal, natural, loving self.
Be my natural, normal, loving self.
Below the nose. Let go feeling restricted.
Let go feeling restricted.
Chin groove. Let go this fear.
Let go this fear.
Below the collarbone. Speak my mind in a normal, natural, loving way.
Speak my mind, the normal, natural, loving way.
Below the armpit. Let go this fear.
Let go this fear.
On the lower ribs. Be loving, caring self.
Loving, care self.
Thumbnail. Let go this fear.
Let go this fear.
Forefinger. Let go this restriction.
Let go this restriction.
Middle finger. Safe and comfortable.
Safe and comfortable.
Little finger. Absolutely safe and comfortable being me.
Absolutely safe and comfortable being me.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely.
And I deeply and completely
Love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth.
There is one
Anything
more
else?
fear that got surfaced. I mean,
Mm.
it's there, but I'm handling it. On Instagram, one guy sends me a request and he's in touch. I don't know. But at the initial time where I was learning Instagram last month, and it said Mr. David. Then he started sending requests to speak and video calls. Now, I don't know this person, and I had that apprehension and fear of, accepting friend request. Then I kept messaging, hi, good morning, every day, good morning. Like I thought, no, I don't have time for all that. Now, last week, he said, it's very important I talk to you. I said, okay, you can call. Then he called. He said, if you don't mind, can I disclose some things? Then my thinking cap was, I said, now what does this guy wants? Then he said, I'm not Mr. David, and he gave one Muslim name. So I said, okay. So he said, actually, I am in looking for a job. I need a job. So then, since he disclosed his intentions and all, then I did a lot of asking questions. 25-year-old working in pharma company, not completed his graduation. I said, you must complete your graduation, have some siblings and all that. I said, you spend your money, do your graduation. I gave him everything, had a long discussion. Then I realized that, and as a coach, I felt it was not right for me to ignore people initially. So I said, no, let me see how far he's going with his communication. I didn't immediately respond. Almost a month. Finally, last week on Friday, I spoke to him and then he disclosed everything. So I said, my God, it can be very fearful, but it can be even very good.
Rewarding. You felt good to have helped.
Yeah. Then I told him, you send me your phone number and I will give it to my colleagues in Gujarat and Baroda. I'm in Baroda, Ahmedabad. I have my office friends. I can give it to them, which he never did. Now, again, yesterday he's asking for a video call. I don't know why he wants to do a video call. So this another fear, why I'm sharing is the background of this fear and how people on Instagram, my thing is, especially men, is something that I don't very easily accept friend request.
Yeah.
But I thought with this, I think I am able to manage next time. Just ask what is it that they need. Definitely as a coach, if they need something.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me what is it that you want. We can chat.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if I also feel that yes, it needs a call, then we will call. Fine. What you are saying, I respect.
Yes.
So you see, then at least let that person communicate what is it that they want to talk about. Okay.
Yeah.
I also feel that yes, it is something to talk about, then we will talk. But otherwise, you can tell me here.
Because in the last,
little insistent.
Yes, last 2 or 3 videos that I upload, reels I uploaded of mine, because I was practicing how to, create reels and practice. So there I mentioned I'm retired and all. So those kind of messages, if he has got, but I realized also he says that I'm not very confident in talking in English. So I communicated with him in Hindi, and I told him, he asked me what you do. I told him I'm a retired person and I coach. So at least there's total clarity on any relationship that he would like to have or anything. So that helped me. And I thought, I'm glad I addressed this fear also in a way.
It is so important. In fact, this is why, in fact, I somehow had some time in the morning when we were, before we spoke.
Yeah.
So you can see this file that I have shared is from the internet. And the very first question I said, this is for Maria. Okay, why do I have fear of speaking up? We are afraid to speak up because we are afraid to alienate others.
Yeah.
But when we don't speak our truth, we alienate ourselves.
Yes.
Which is what you were doing.
Yeah.
Honesty is the ultimate homecoming.
Yeah, and there's always vulnerability in this.
Initially, yes. But once you have spoken, that vulnerability becomes power.
Yeah.
It is vulnerability as long as you have not taken that little risk.
Yes.
A calculated risk needs to be taken, whether it is an outsider, a stranger, or it is a home person. That is why, if you saw what I chose with my loving, caring self.
Yes.
Speak up. It is very important, particularly with people at home. We tend to not take care of that.
Yeah.
So if you can, I choose to speak my mind with utmost love and care. If that you can keep tapping every day. Whenever you are afraid of speaking, you choose to speak with love and care. That fear will go away.
Okay.
Because you are afraid that you might hurt.
Yeah.
Or you might do some damage to the relationship.
Yes.
And therefore, you're keeping yourself away. But at the same time, of all you know, having spoken, there may be a way out.
Absolutely.
There may be a way out. So we have to be able to find a way of being able to speak with utmost care. At least test the waters.
Yeah.
If we don't speak at all and only stick to our fears, then actually you are also alienating the others in the sense, it becomes a habit to keep quiet. And you will hold back things which are important to say also.
Yeah, there are times when I have said, but lesser number of times, said with calm. Yeah. So it doesn't become,
That's it. So
in fact, you remember that 4-letter word I talked about? Okay.
I
Day
know.
before yesterday it came out. So I said, why does it have to come out every time? She said, no, that's my way of venting.
Then tell her, please, instead of that, you use this for venting.
I was like, I only
Yeah,
wanted
because
to.
no, she needs to understand that she is inviting negative energy around her. If that is the only way she can vent. Occasionally, maybe understandable, but even occasionally it's not needed.
Yeah. And
understand that the word itself has a lot of negativity around it.
yes.
And when she's saying it, one, that of course it's building up in her, but why is she letting it build it up? One day you need to talk to her and let her understand. See if you can be creative in venting out that feeling in any better way.
Yeah.
She needs to understand that there is another way of doing it. And she herself has it.
She should.
You can probably help her find this out by tapping on it. That even though I feel I cannot vent out without this 4-letter word, still I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I have to say this word. Till then, I don't feel kind of, having let out my steam. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I don't know, it's become my habit to speak this word over and over again. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I say it to vent out my emotions. I say it to let out steam. I know it is not so good, but I still say it. I still do it. That kind of, this 4-letter word. She can say it that way. And having to complete the round, I choose to be creative in letting out my steam.
Yeah.
And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to not let steam build up. I choose to do things in a manner or perceive things in a manner that no steam builds up. That's very important.
Yes.
Okay, so the first sentence had a not in it, so I changed it. That I choose to say things in a manner that the steam does not build up. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to let go this habit of saying this word again and again. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I let go speaking this word. I choose to be creative in venting out my feelings. I choose to perceive things in a manner that I don't build up pressure. These 3 things, tap on the points. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Close the word without law.
I will create that. Because even we also lose our temper. We also get this thing. But we don't say that. Rather, we do something else.
Anyway, wo youngsters hai, and then she's been away from home. So a lot of things happen. As it is, she's so independent.
Yeah,
but one more thing, she may not be willing to do this. Yes.
That's why I have to do it very.
You being a mother and you are now at least this much pro. As a mother, you can be Gail.
On her behalf. Yes.
I choose to be, even though I am Gail.
Okay.
Having to make that statement, you can do it. At least once, try it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
And you will get awareness of what is her reason.
Okay.
You will get that awareness, or you might get to hear from her.
Okay.
And you might be able to help out.
Yeah, because, like all the time, this is to be done, that is to be done, so many things to be done that way. So and morning also, she's very irritated. Like, I have to go and
that time you must do Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you.
Okay.
Yeah. Ask Sumati the magic of it. In fact, when Sumati started, this was her first thing. Sumati, you must share your experience because she's saying the same thing. What you were facing. I hope she can speak now. Her phone is
Yeah,
charged.
she's unmuted it.
Yeah.
Yes, Veera, the itra adat, actually I used to say some mantra and all. Every time that only used to come. But that I used to say without any meaning, and this. The moment I started to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, actually it was relieving me. Literally the heaviness, because with meaning, with convention and everything, the opposite thing used to get settled. More than even the surrounding used to get settled. So ऐसा आदत हो गया कि even while cooking, even while doing, yeah, even if any thought disturbs me, so I always say to myself only, means I place myself outside. That Sumati is getting hurt. I can, that way I make it, and she also gets calmer than I also get.
Yes.
This way something could happen. Some
So
awareness comes, then I get my answer, then it settles down. Even now also, वही मैं सोचा मेरे को अचानक मैं गुस्सा होती हूँ ना तो बॉम्ब स्पॉट होने की तरह गुस्सा हो जाती हूँ. Now this time she was saying due to her tapping I got my answer. Yeah, many places it happens. There I could not went out. I cannot talk what I wanted. And वो क्या होता है भूल भी जाते हैं. But still that holding is there. Somewhere in my subconscious mind, that holding is there, and unknowingly it gets accumulated. फिर एक जगह पाइप अपन बंद करते तो दूसरी जगह वो फूटेगा ही ना.
Exactly. I'm glad you recognize that.
और ऐसा होता है कि ये बात में you need not shout or you जरूरत नहीं था, लेकिन वो मुझे भी लगता है कि जरूरत नहीं था. But why did I yell so loudly and why did I spoil that atmosphere after
Soda
when I
water
get calmer
bottle.
now? That time also I didn't get answer. Like now I got ये piled up वाला है and somewhere how it's getting. I mean बाद में कहीं explode हो.
वो छोटे से कारण के लिए फिर outburst होता है.
For me, I yell or I shout वैसा लग रहा है, लेकिन जो बहुत क्या होता है sometimes वो disease की तरह भी चला जाता है. This is the reason कोई express नहीं करता है तो अंदर वो it is getting blocked ना, तो फिर वो नासुर की तरह हो जाता है. This thing I got from now. Today is
there. Sumati always gets advantage of whoever is new.
Yeah.
किसी का भी issue tap कर रहे हो. Sumati is at
I always take something or the other.
benefit.
किसी का भी कुछ हो,
In fact, I was going to say, I don't know about you, but Sumati was yawning so much. She was actually releasing. I don't know about you having to release or not.
Ma'am, many times even I don't know. वो मुझे related है, but somewhere connection होता है. तो कभी yawning नहीं आता है, and daytime कुछ नहीं. But this process I don't know. Something clear, sir.
Yeah. नहीं, क्या होता है? We are not constantly aware of everything that's there in our subconscious.
Exactly.
Only when with association does certain thing come up. Correct? And many a times things keep affecting us, but because we are not so smart enough to know our subconscious by way of our conscious behavior.
Yeah. I'm not sensitive to.
Yes,
कभी-कभी देखो महसूस नहीं करते. Even our clothes also we are wearing, but many times we don't. Each and every body doesn't recognize that this part is touching. More sensitive, we lose it. That way only feelings may be होता है. We are not getting identified with ours.
So therefore, group tapping helps in this manner.
This communication होता है ना, 1-to-1 में इतना नहीं, but everyone gets along. बहुत अच्छा output आता है.
Yes.
Must.
So do not alienate yourself. Of course, you are aware of not to alienate others, but don't alienate yourself. That is more important. Okay. So is there an effort in, when you are, calming yourself down to be able to speak up, etc.? Is it too much of an effort?
Sometimes, yes.
So when there is that effort going on, very obviously, sometimes you're not sure whether you have fully calmed yourself down or not. So while you make that effort, do Ho'oponopono.
Okay.
Yeah. While you make that effort also, do Ho'oponopono. It will help you in your effort, make it easy, and bring you to a neutral state. You do not want to go overboard in being calm, right?
Yeah.
Then you might not even communicate correctly what you really want to communicate. You might just do the opposite. So to come to a neutral state, there is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, the best. Because it not only calms your inner environment, also the environment around you. It influences that. Sumati has earlier shared how her son's behavior changed because of her doing Ho'oponopono. How her in-laws' behavior has changed because of her doing Ho'oponopono. What has changed is her perception. You know, our world is created by us, no? So if you're afraid of saying something, you are for sure the other person is also feeling afraid.
Yes.
Because you have radiated that. So that fear is prevailing and it's causing tension. And it's not going to produce positive results. As you sow, so shall you reap, right?
Right, yeah.
So if we sow fear, we will reap fear and nobody wants it. So the moment you catch yourself in the back foot, first replace that thought with sorry, forgive, thank you, I love you. So, and then look at the situation.
Okay.
I collected this whole file. I thought I'll send it to you also. How can I be less scared to speak up? Say what you mean and mean what you say. It also means to be aware of what words you are using and what tone of voice you are using.
Yeah.
That is what is. Are you aware of your tone of voice, or you find that it goes haywire?
No, I'm aware. I normally, how do I respond is, I keep I say things in a very calm manner, even if it means they may not like it.
Yes.
So I do that.
Very
that's
important.
It will cut down the arguments.
As much. Because see, it is not possible that everybody in the world looks and thinks the same way.
Yeah.
So it's okay to be thinking differently. So not to just cutting down the argument, at least you have contributed whatever you thought was positive.
Yeah.
Because it is important that you also be happy in that environment. If you have to keep the environment also positive.
Yeah.
Continuously, if you are going to take a backlash for whatever, you are not going to make the environment positive.
Yeah, and even I was very sure that I would not say it from my side, this is not correct, that is not correct. I refrained from doing it.
Correct.
Because I need to understand their situation more than me imposing on them. I was in that.
But in that process, you should not hurt yourself.
Correct.
It should not go to the other extreme. That's exactly what I mean. You know, in doing that, we go to that another extreme. And okay, in not having to disorient them, you yourself get disoriented, which causes a worse problem. Because finally you have to be yourself, no?
Yeah. So
you can't get disoriented. So there has to be a balance in that. And whatever effort you are making of this kind, occasionally you must share it with them. So that they know your effort. So they know that you are trying. And they will be more understanding whenever possible. Because finally they are your family. When an opportunity arises, you must let them know, okay, when this happened, what came to my mind was this. But then I told myself, Maria, come on. you are not here forever and they have made certain adjustment, it must be having a reason. So just do it, share
Yeah.
that conversation with them. Your inner dialogue. It will be a good chance to have a laugh at yourselves.
Yeah, and then
Moment.
also it'll be an opportunity of for them to learn what other people go through.
Exactly. Okay, what they are thinking is not the only way to look at it.
Yes.
There are other ways also to look at it. Because they are young, they still need to learn that.
Big time.
Yeah, big time, big time. And how else can you teach? Only in such ways. Because you should not feel bad later on that I had the opportunity and I did not tell them.
Yeah, that's where
That
that's
guilt
also
will kill
came to
you.
mind.
That guilt will kill you. So you can't come back with that guilt from there. Yes,
Yeah.
Maria,
Yeah,
madam,
there are
I
certain
don't want you to be back with that.
there are certain observations which I have, like eating outside food and all. But then once in a way, even I would do it once in a way, but can't be repetitive more than say thrice a week, maybe even. So that I mean, I wanted to say something, then I refrained myself from saying it. I said no, let it
For
go
them
that way.
you need not say, but for yourself, then how do you manage?
So I thought, let me wait for an opportune time to say it. For example, like while eating food, I would not have a Coke or a Pepsi, or
Correct.
even after food. I mean, that's a totally no. If you're at a party, you enjoy. Yeah, I also would enjoy. So these things, like,
You can always
not,
give health reasons.
yeah, not so much on is as Gail, but as for Myron. That's where I was coming.
Right.
So I've handled
Yeah,
it
it's a
very
little tricky thing, but at the same time,
it's his health.
Health is important. Okay, I don't
Maybe.
want to create problem for you people by falling sick. So let me see how I can find a middle way out. You don't have to go out of your way to do things for me, but you find some way to manage to avoid the outside me.
They offer, I say no, and they respect.
Correct.
But when it comes to Myron having, and he needs to take care of himself, very important. That's where I'm coming.
So I don't know, you can just do sorry, forgive, thank you, I love you whenever you find he's eating unhealthy.
Yeah, once in a way.
Because that's not your area. Or one day decide to have a chat on food and see how and why you avoid. So you can talk about yourself. Okay, because I learned this, and I found that when I applied it, it helped me in my life.
Yeah, make it more experiential than
make it experiential.
Than giving advice.
Advice. Never. No advice is ever taken. Talk of your experience.
Yeah.
So from today on, you're going to collect, keep them ready.
Yeah.
Reckoner of all your healthy food habits. How did you develop? And sometimes you may not remember. Okay, where did you read this or whom did you hear from? So cook it up.
Yeah.
You can have a yoga friend who told you. Suchitra Parikh.
Correct. Put the bill on you.
Yeah. The yoga people are blamed for this all the time.
Yeah. Even dietitians and all, not only yoga.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you can, refer to somebody who is kind of authentic, can be taken for reference. So you're doing it out of goodwill.
Yeah.
But not every goodwill is respected as goodwill.
Yeah, that is it. For interfering in my affairs.
Yes.
It would mean like that in most cases.
Yes. In fact, we are seeing that in the world today so strongly.
Yeah.
Everything good is being demeaned.
Absolutely.
So, and keep in mind that when you hear only what you want to hear, you are not really listening. You can probably use this as a quote,
Exactly.
morning quote, good morning message ke liye. So when you hear only what you want to hear, you are not listening. This is a very good quote. You can make a post, a good morning post out of it and send. You know how on your phone you can make a post?
Using?
Okay. In your phone, you have notes.
Yes.
Yes. So you type whatever you want to type in the notes. And below that, there is a icon like a dress.
Okay.
So when you click that, it will give you option of giving that page a color or a design or something.
Okay.
Whatever option your phone will have, depending on different companies, they will have. So choose one of that and then choose send. There's a send option also. When you send, it will ask you whether you want to send it like a text or you want to send it like a photo.
Okay.
So choose photo.
Okay.
And it will go like one nicely designed post in a very simple way.
Very nice. Good idea. That reminds me, Shweta from Delhi, she's having a brand mastermind. How to personal brand mastermind. She's put it on the STF group mastermind. Are you there?
No, I'm not in any STF group now.
Okay, I'll send you the link if you're interested. Fridays, 6 o'clock, she said.
She's moved to Thane.
Shweta from Delhi, Pandey.
She is lock, stock, barrel moved to Thane.
What are you saying?
Yes. And on the last day I learned, 1 month she was staying in Malad.
Oh.
When she had moved from Delhi, her Thane thing was not ready. So she was staying with some known people in Malad. मैंने कहा साली बताया नहीं इतने दिन कि मेरे को कहाँ मालूम था तू गोरेगांव में ही है. Tomorrow I'm going to Thane. मैंने कहा जा.
Okay, I'll send you the post and you can and the people who have already given their names, no? I'll send it to you. You can send it to her and let her know. I'll send it to her also. She'll add you and send you the links.
Sure.
I just thought and she's doing it for all our community. So I thought.
Correct. Yeah.
I'm not attending because I have something.
Okay. So when you hear only what you want to hear, you are not really listening. And from April, you also have Rajshekhar's hackathon.
I don't know whether I'll be attending or not.
No, you must attend. I'm telling you, you will miss out on something really, really great if you don't attend this hackathon and do that.
No, so I've not completed the program that I was doing with him.
That doesn't matter. That you can keep completing.
Okay.
And that will help you to complete it faster.
That is what, silver member something?
Yeah, silver member ke liye hi hai wo.
Okay, okay, I'll do it. I'll have to put in an effort.
Yeah, a little effort is needed initially, but it is, you'll get stuck to it. You'll get glued. You will not want to leave it once you start attending. He's
and it
very
is
energetic. His
weekly?
Energy is really weekly once. On Tuesdays, hackathon, but it also helps to attend his mastermind on Thursdays.
Okay.
Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Okay.
Tuesdays are hackathon, Thursdays are inner circle mastermind.
That I have attended. One, I think.
Okay. So why do I get anxious when I talk? A person with social anxiety disorder feels symptoms of anxiety or fear in situations where they may be scrutinized, evaluated, or judged by others. Does any of this happens?
Yes.
So want to do a tapping on this? Even though I'm afraid of speaking
I'm afraid of speaking
because I feel I will be judged.
because I feel I will be judged.
I'll be scrutinized.
I will be scrutinized.
Others will evaluate me on that.
Others will evaluate me on that.
Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself,
Even though
even though
I'm anxious when I talk.
I'm anxious when I talk.
I'm afraid of being judged.
I'm afraid of being judged.
Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself,
Even though
even though
I don't like being scrutinized and evaluated.
I being scrutinized and evaluated,
And therefore I don't speak.
and therefore I don't speak.
Still, I deeply and completely
I deeply completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Eyebrow point. I'm afraid of being judged.
I'm afraid of being judged.
Eye end point. I don't speak because I don't like being evaluated.
I don't speak because I don't being
Below
evaluated.
the eyes. I hate being scrutinized.
I hate being scrutinized.
Below the nose. Better not to speak.
Better not to speak.
Thin groove. Fear of speaking.
Fear of speaking.
Below the collarbone. Afraid to speak my mind.
Afraid to speak my mind,
Below the armpit. Lest I would be judged.
lest I would be judged.
On the lower ribs. Scrutinized.
Scrutinized,
Thumbnail. Evaluated.
evaluated,
Afraid to speak.
afraid to speak,
Don't like it.
don't like it.
Better to keep quiet.
Better to keep quiet.
Karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
but accept myself.
I choose to
I choose to
let go all these fears
all these
with their cause.
and their cause.
And I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to
I choose to
speak with love and care.
with love and care.
Speak my mind, be honest.
Make my mind, be honest,
Be true to myself.
true to myself.
And I deeply and completely
I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to let go all fear
I choose to let go all fear
and its causes.
and its causes.
And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Eyebrow point. Free from being judged.
Free from being judged.
Eye end point. Free from the fear of being evaluated.
Free from the fear of being evaluated.
Below the eyes. Free from being scrutinized.
Free from being scrutinized.
Below the nose. Let go being judged.
Let go being judged.
Thin groove. Let go being evaluated.
Let go being evaluated.
Below the collarbone. Let go being scrutinized.
Let go being scrutinized.
Below the armpit. Let go the cause of all these fear.
Let go the cause of all these fears.
The lower ribs. Let go all the causes of this fear.
Let go all the causes of this fear.
Thumbnail. Free from all the causes of this fear.
Free from all the causes of this fear.
Forefinger. Free from all the causes of this fear.
Free from all the causes of this fear.
Middle finger. Let go this fear with its cause.
Let go of the fear with its cause.
Little finger. Let go all these fear with all its causes.
Let go all these fears of all these causes.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth.
Yeah, there are fears that keep coming all the time in every way. Chota, chota.
Fear is not a good thing to live with.
So
the basic one, keep doing every day. I choose to let go this fear. Whatever smallest fear comes up, even if you're not able to tap here, suppose you are in a situation, at least mentally do it.
in the mind.
But sorry, forgive, thank you, I love you is the best way out of fear. Because fear is always undermining your own self, not forgiving yourself for something or the other. Think the other is bigger than you. The other person is greater than you, therefore you're afraid.
Or the other situation is greater than you.
You have to let go that and evaluate it at its space, what it really is. It's not anything greater. If it has come for you, it is meant for you. So, let me know anything more also. I will post that in the Fearwala group, that word file, like I did last time. And that will also give you more awareness that you want to tap on. And let me know if I get the time, I'll do one more recording and send it over there. I enjoyed making that recording. Initially, I was feeling a little upset. Koi bhi nahi aaya yaar. I'm sitting here alone waiting for somebody to come to take a class. Nobody's there. Then I said, okay, let me imagine Maria is there and I'll do the tapping. And it turned out good. I quite liked it. Did you see it?
Yeah, I was reading this book on psycho-cybernetics. I remembered you so much.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What is it about?
So it is more on how you talk to yourself in terms of putting your goals, okay, whatever you want to do, or anything like this, the fears. Okay, so that's where fears and any other negative energies that you would to deal with, and how you can do it through psycho-cybernetics. There are some 15 chapters. I finished the book yesterday. Now there are certain exercises which you need to practice every day.
In fact, these kind of things will always have energy. Work is like that, because energy is constantly flowing.
Correct.
And it is going to go this way, that way, meander.
Yeah.
And our thoughts are not always positive. We are so easily inclined towards the negative. So it will always be an effort to keep pulling it up, and to retain it there. Keep pulling it up and to retain it there. That effort has to go on throughout life.
Yeah. So that practice session, then I will add a little bit of that into this.
Correct. Yeah, and why not? All knowledge adds on. Like for me, there were many others who learned this technique along with me. I added yoga information to it. And that's what helped me make it a practice. Whatever is your strength, you add to it. So it only makes it stronger.
Yes. And without practice, though, reading that book doesn't help too much.
Exactly. Information, so I think we have more than enough. Enough and enough and enough. We can write more books on that ourselves. Actually, I was just considering yesterday that these little, people send out these free ebooks for
Yes.
advertisement
Yes.
as leads.
Yes.
I see that so much I have written under description of all my YouTube videos. And often they are like something hinting at the cases in which that video was done. If I just put it together, there
We'll have
will
another
be some hundreds of pages of material.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You should.
Hundreds of pages of material.
And make them into smaller.
Smaller chunks.
Yeah.
In fact, now that you have started attending this theme thing, no? The other day somebody was asking, and I was wondering, I did 1 month on sleep. And again, though there was only one participant, but it was so fruitful. Such a fruitful, if I just make it like a case study.
Yeah, stories, make it in a story.
Because the recording is there. So I can, if that person doesn't want the name to be there, that name can be changed. And I can make that story as a general story and give the in-between tapping for that. It will become so useful.
Yeah.
Somebody who can relate with that story, with that condition, can just use it.
True. It's a good idea.
So let's see. There's lots to be done and lots of ideas, but just now, actually, my hackathon is over. Tomorrow is the last day, but I am not able to complete everything. My biggest challenge has been